Since I started coming to Push, I feel like a completely different person, and I tell people that all the time. Physically, I'm definitely a different person, but mentally and emotionally, I'm also much stronger and much happier. I've actually gotten off of sleeping pills and antidepressants that I was on for years, and it's like a new addiction, but it's a really good addiction, and I love it. I was nervous at first, but it actually was very comfortable. Derek and all the trainers make you feel like you're very welcome and very capable, and they're there to support you, and all my nerves were gone right away. I think what kept me coming back was the support I got and the encouragement and the challenge. They really keep pushing you, and they want you to succeed, and so they come up with ways to keep you interested as well as challenge you along the way. Derek and the entire staff are extremely knowledgeable and supportive, and it's just a really fun environment. I've made so many new friends, and I just look forward to coming every day. I would definitely recommend coming to Push. You have to make a commitment. It's definitely something that you jump into fully, but once you do it, you won't regret it.